In this video we're going to learn how to divide an amount into a given ratio. Ratios, fractions, percentages, all really the same sort of thing. They're all to do with proportion. So that's just really important to remember. I'm not really going to be teaching anything new. It's just that the questions are going to be framed in a different way. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our knowledge of fractions to help us do this. Now there are lots of different ways of finding the ratio of an amount, and one really nice way is using swan diagrams. One's using the unitary method, but at this time I'm going to do it using fractions. Now we must make sure at the end that the total of all our parts add up to the total, the amount that we actually started off with. It's a nice check that we can do. So the process we're going to go through is really quite simple. We're going to find the total number of parts. That will be the denominator of our fraction. We're then going to use the sections of the ratio to find the various numerators. On the next slide we'll actually give an example of doing this, and then it's just a case of following the same process every time you have a problem. Okay, so let's look at an example. We want to split 81 grams into the ratio of 1 to 3 to 5. So we're going to get three separate values, which hopefully when we add them together we get the total of 81, where the second lot will be 3 times bigger than the first, and the third lot will be 5 times bigger than the first. So look, we've got 9 parts in total. We've got 1 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so we've got 9 parts in total. So the denominator of the fraction that we're going to use is going to be 9. So that means we need 1/9, 1/9, 3/9, 3/9, and 5/9 of 81. Those will give us our sections of 81 split into the ratio of 1 to 3 to 5. So we need 1/9 of 81. We need 3/9 of 81, and we need 5/9 of 81, and they give us 9 grams, 27 grams and 45 grams. So if we want to split 81 grams in the ratio of 1 to 3 to 5, it's going to be 9 grams to 27 grams to 45 grams. Just quickly, what do? We found the total number of parts by adding these together. That gave us the denominator. The individual parts were the numerators, and we found that as a fraction of the original amounts. I hope you found the video helpful. The video goes with a book that I'm writing for Year 9 Mathematics in New Zealand, and you can find a link to a copy of the book below, and that book is free for you to use and give to others. In the book you can find questions that go with this video, and in the link below this video you'll be able to find answers to those questions. Stay in Infield with Winfield.